Hello students, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Students, today we are discussing some numerical based on the Arrhenius equations. Yesterday we are find out that the what is temperature coefficient, the why Arrhenius has introduced these equations for the temperatures, and we derive the Arrhenius equation also, students. Right. So let we discuss today. We will discuss some the numerical based on the Arrhenius equations. Example, first example. The rate constant of the reaction at 500 Kelvin, 600 Kelvin are 0.02 10 to the power of minus 1, 0.07 10 to the power of 0.02 per second, 0.07 per second respectively. Calculate the value of EA and A. Calculate the value of EA and A. The students. So students, given, I will explain given here. At the temperature K Kelvin, K is mentioned. This is the temperature T1. This is how I mentioned temperature T1. This is also Kelvin. Unit is Kelvin. So this is how I mentioned here temperature T2. Rate constant, and this is the K1 and this is the K2. Right. So I written here the T1 at the temperature T1 500 Kelvin. The rate constant is 0.02 per second. When at the temperature T2 700 Kelvin, the rate constant is 0.07 per second. So what is the activation energy and Arrhenius constant? You have to find here activation energy and Arrhenius constant, students. So we have to write the Arrhenius equations. In terms of temperature, the change in temperature we have written here log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 into T2. We are comparing the two reactions. We are comparing the two reactions with a different temperature. First initial temperature and the next is the temperature coefficient. So think that this is the temperature coefficient T plus 10 degrees Celsius we are applying, and this is the only T. Right, students? So that's why we are introducing this formula yesterday. So log K2 is 0.07 and K1 is the 0.02. EA by 2.03 R and the 700 by into minus 500 into 700. We are introducing we are substituting all the value in these equations. Okay, here students, the log, when we divide the log 0.07 by 0.02, we got log is 3.5. So 3.5 is here, students. 3.5. So log 3.5. What is the value of the log 3.5? This log 3.5 I have to make here log 0.35. So look at here the 35th row. Here the 35th row, friends. 35th row, 0th column, because there is no number, there is no other digit, means 0. The 35th row, 0th column is here the 0th column. Point as it is 5441. So I substituting here the 5441 here. Right, students? So EA by 2.03, that is a 19.147, and when we divide 200 by 350000, then we got the answer is the 0.00057. Right, students? So here the next we have to calculate the EA. So we have taken outside the EA, taken as a outside. Then the 0.54, we are multiplying. We are multiplying the 19.47 into 0.5441 sub 1 and divided by 0.00057. We got the answer is the EA answer is the 18 882228. This is the answer, students. We will got this answer. So with the help of the activation energy, now we find the activation energy. After finding activation energy, we will calculate the calculation of A. Calculation of A. So calculation of purpose, what we have to do? We have to substitute here the Arrhenius equation. The K is equal to A E exponent EA by RT. So applying the log, then we got the log K, log A, and the EA 2.303 by RT. Right, students? Okay, students, the log K1, it is substitute here the log K1, log A EA by 2.303. So substitute the value at 500 Kelvin. 500 Kelvin, the K1 is the 0.02. So we are substituting here the at 500 Kelvin, we are substituting the 0.02, and the temperature is 500 Kelvin T. And the EA is 18.18228. Already we find here the answer. We find here we find the answer. So 18228, 2.03, R value 8.314, 500 Kelvin. Temperature is the 500 Kelvins. Here temperature is 500 Kelvins. Then the log, we are multiplying this value. We got the answer is the 95735. Next the log 0.02. So how to find the log 0.02? I written here students, in this box I written here the log. How to find the log 0.02? Log is equal to 0.02, again the log 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2, because point moves on the right hand side. Okay, it becomes 10 to the power of minus 2. Then the log becomes log A into B, that is the log 2 into log 10 to the power of minus 2. Log 2 value is, log 2 means students, the log 2 means you have to write here the log 0.2. 2 means 20. So 20 here students, here the 20, and after 2 there is no digit here, it means 0th column. So you have to go for here the 0th column, and this is 20. 3010 I written here 0.3010, because one digit is there, so that's why before the 3010 you have to substitute here the 0.3010, and log, this log becomes log 10 to the power of minus 2, means the minus 2 log 10, right? And 0.3010 minus 2 into 1, 10 means 1, that is 2 into 1. Again we subtract 0.3010 minus 2, then we got the answer is minus 1.699. Here this is the answer, right students? Okay, we have to find their log, so that's why what we have to do here students, look at here, the next we have to first divide this value. After dividing this value, we got the answer is 0.1903. This answer we got. Again log A value taken as the outside, then let us subtract here the 1.903 into the power of minus 1 and minus 1.699. we got the answer is log A is 0.0205. So if log A is equal to 0.0205, then log move on the right hand side, it becomes A is equal to NT log 0.0205. Right students? Understood? Okay, that's why we have to find here the NT log. A is equal to NT log of 0.02, we have to find here. So NT log 0.0205. So NT log, so that's why what we have to do here students, we have to separate here we have to separate the value. Okay, I will show here log NT log NT log 0.0205. we have to subsplit here. This is first written as a 10 to the power of 0, and remaining point written as a point, the 0.0 205, like this I written over here, right? So afterwards students, after writing this one, then we have to find the 20th column, 20th row, 5th column, 20th row, 20 here students, in the ID 1 2 3 4 5 5 here. So 5th column, that is 1603. This is the answer, 1603. This is the 1.603. So this is the 1603 is there here, I will write here students. So 10 to the power of 0 into 10 to the power of 0.0205. So 20th row, 5th column, it becomes 1603, and 10 to the power of 0 is there here. So 10 to the power of 0, that's why it is written as a point is after one digit, that is 1.603, right? Okay, the antilog of A is 1.603, right students? This is the answer. Here you are finding the antilog of A. So this is the answer student. This is the first numerical we are completed here. I hope you understood here. So let's see one more example. So the first order of rate constant for the decomposition of ethyl iodide by the reaction ethyl iodide C2H5i turns into C2H4 and HI at 600 Kelvin is 1.6 into 10 to the power of -5 per second. Its energy activation 209 kilojoule per mole. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction at 700 Kelvin. So I written here the given students. When at the temperature is T1, rate constant is 1.6. When at the temperature is T2, we have to find the how much is the rate constant, right? So what is the activation energy is the 209. So what is the rate constant, second rate constant at the temperature 700 Kelvin, we have to find here. So what we have to do here students, so again we have to apply the same formula, log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 RT, and temperature, how temperature rated, T1 minus T2 divided by T1 into T2. This is the formula, our formula students, right? And log K2 we don't know, and we know the K1, so that's why I am substituting the value, the 1.6 into power of -5, and EA value is 209, and the 2.303 R value 8.314, and the temperature T1 is 600 and this is the 700, and the T1 600, T2 is the 700. Then we got the answer students. After this value we got here, log Q2 by 1.60, 1.6 10 to the power of -5, 209 10 to the power of 10 to the power of -3 divided by 2.303, 8.314, 100 by 420000, right students? Okay, log K2 by 1.605, right? After that we are multiplying this value, we got the 19.147, right? Next what we have to do, we have to divide 100 by 420000. We got the answer is 0.000238. Again we are divide 209 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 19.147. Answer is 10.91 10 to the power of 3. So log K2, right? So again you multiply this both value. After multiplying the both value, you got the answer is here 0.002965 into 10 to the power of 3. Right students? Next the point is shift on the right hand side, the shift on that, it becomes 2.5965. Again if you find the log K2 means you have to multiply this value, this and this value. We are multiplying this value Okay students, what are the log is there? The log is more on the right hand side, it becomes anti-log. So now how we have to written log k2 by 1.6 10 to the power of minus 5, that is the anti-log of 25965, right? So look at it students, the log shifted on the right hand side, it becomes anti-log. Anti-log, we have to find the anti-log of the 2.596. So I written here, I solved here the how to find the anti-log 2.5965. Actually it's 965, but by mistakenly I am the forgot to write here 5, sorry students. So we have to split here the 2 10 to the power of minus 2 and the remaining the 0.5965, right? Again 10 to the power of minus 2, the 59th row 6th column, 59th row here students, this is the 59th row and 6th column is this is the 6th column. Answer is 3945 and the 5 mean difference 5. The similarly can you move the mean difference 5, mean difference also here 5, so add here, then you 3950, right? Or you write like this also 3950 to 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 2. So look at 3950 10 to the power of 2, right? This value I taken as here, right students? Okay, then you the cross multiply this both value, after that we got the answer is the 6352 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of minus 3, or 6.352, right students? This is the answer students. So this is the today example students. In this example I found the I'm explaining the how to solve the log anti-logs. I will give same example, you have to solve students, and if you have any query, any the doubts, then ask me students. Thank you so much.